Hello everyone, this is my DIY Assignment 3 Disassembly-Reassembly project. This is Yellanki Sai Likitha, roll number 21CE10085 of section 16. My DIY disassemble and assemble assignment, I am considering my keyboard for disassembling and assembly kit. So before disassembling the keyboard, let's check the working condition of keyboard. First, let us insert the USB drive into the USB portal of my laptop. So after inserting that, we can see yellow light is on, indicating that power is on. So now let us click on caps lock and see, you can see the yellow light is on. Now let us type something, and you can see there. See the parts are, these are the keycaps made up of plastic. Everything is made up of plastic. So now let's disassemble this and see the inner parts also. This is the screwdriver. With this I am going to disassemble this. So now let's take this. Now let us see the inner parts of keyboard. See, you can find a plastic sheet, the motherboard. This is the USB wire connecting to USB portal, and you can find some small rubber pieces. See, this transparent plastic sheet is having 3 sheets. First one and last one is conducting one, and the middle, which is with holes, is the insulating material. These lines are the electric connections, allows the small currents to flow through them when the layers are pressed tight together with the key. So this is the motherboard. It has 3 LED connections, you can see here. This is made up of plastic, and these sheets are also plastic sheets, and these small pieces are made up of rubber silicone type pieces. Let's see the working principle of this. Whenever key is pressed here, then now let us see the working principle of this keyboard. Whenever a key is pressed here, then they form a complete circuit, and small current is generated, and this is sent as an electric signal to the motherboard, and then this electric signal is carried through the USB cable and then to the computer. So this is how keyboard works. Now let's assemble this. We must ensure that these lines and the motherboard lines should coincide. Now it is completely fixed. Now let's connect it to the laptop. After connecting this, you can see here yellow light is on. So it's working. So now let's again on the caps lock. See, again yellow light is on. So now let us type something. See, you can see there. So it's working. So everything was under working condition. The interesting thing I found was upon pressing a key, we all think the letters are just displayed there. But there are a lot of operations and mechanisms are going inside the keyboard. So this is my disassemble and assemble of my keyboard.
Thank you.